Hello everyone, this is Zoe again from WeShipFloors.com, bringing yet another SuperCORE color. Here we have the SPC026X Harvest Moon. Another great color blend. It is an oak look floor. It does have a lot of character. Got some honey blonde tones, some brown, and some gray. This is an entire box that I put out on the showroom floor for purposes of this video. Got a little sunlight from the window right there, so don't mind that. And this is a whole box of the flooring, so you can see all that is included in the box. I'm going to zoom in and get some up close character here. Be sure to get on our website and you can order samples. Just go directly to the page by entering BSPC110 in the search box. It'll take you right to the product page, and then you can click Get Sample, and we'll send those out to you second day, fed by USPS actually. So they'll show up in your mailbox. And this is where you also can order the flooring. Please do reach out to us if you have any questions. We are here to help. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.